If your mixes sound thin and amateur, you do not need more plugins. What you actually need is a better workflow. And today, I'll be answering this question. What are channel strips used for in music production? I'm going to show you how this one free tool can replace your entire mixing chain and give you that analog professional sound instantly. Let's dive in. Alright, simply put, a channel strip is a single plugin that combines the most essential mixing tools, a preamp, EQ, compressor, etc. Now, back in the day, these were massive physical consoles in pro studios. Today, we use them to save CPU and more importantly, to give our track a consistent glue that individual plugins just can't match. If you want to know more about channel strip, I'll be leaving a link to the source where you will get detailed information, everything you need to know about channel strip. First, we'll check out the preamp knob. And what I'll be doing is I'll be turning it up maybe to around 10 dB. And I need you to listen to how it adds weight without changing the volume of the drum sample. Let's check it out. And you can agree with me, when I over-exaggerated it, it was still controlling the overall output without distorting or without, breaking our speakers. And when I set it around, I think 14 dB, you can notice a slight increment in the overall sound, but that was very subtle that you hardly notice. All right. And by the way, it's adding harmonic saturation to the overall sound, right? Which is very useful and very important, which is one of the reasons why the professionals go for channel strip, because with this, you introduce that analog warmth and feel into your projects. Now, the next thing we'll be talking about is the EQ section here. It has a 3-band EQ. To the section here, you can see the low, the mid, and the highs, okay? So we'll be setting this to around, let's just go 3K, and then we increase to hear what that is adding to the drum sound. So let's have a listen. And you can clearly hear that it is not making the overall sound bad. Rather, something is going on, but not in a drastic way. So let's listen to how the highs and the low sound so that you have a taste of it. Amazing, right? And like I said, this is one of the reasons why the pros always go for channel strip. Now, finally, let's talk about the compressor, which is just basically to glue to control the peaks and overall output of the sound. Now, what are we looking out for? We want to hear how well it ducks down all those excessive peaks, all right? How it responds to those quick peaks, if I may put it that way. So let's have a listen. So you can see it sounds super cool and it's really reacting quickly. If you're paying attention to the meter here, you can see how fast it's reacting to those peaks and knocking them down, and which I recompensated using this gain knob. setting the release very fast and ratio around 3:1. And lastly, the limiter, if you want to limit the signal you're processing. And right above here is the tape, which I would want us to have a listen to see how that sounds. So let's take a listen. So you can see it is actually adding that analog color, that kind of datiness to the overall sound, which we all love. So that is pretty much about this interesting plugin, and that will be it for Channev by Analog Obsession. But don't take it for what I'm saying, alright? I'll be leaving the link in the description. Try it out and find out yourself if it is really worth having or not. So if you're looking for a free music production software that actually works, I would recommend you downloading Channev by Analog Obsession. I've put the link in the description, and in my next video, I'll be showing you how to use this plugin specifically for vocals. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and share with your friends. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so that you stay updated. If you're interested to check out amazing free plugins, on the screen is a playlist. Watch it and choose the one that you feel you need for a particular task in your production. And as always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.